Welcome to Chromebook Manufacturing. Today, I'll show you how we build cloud-first devices transforming education. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory. Factory creating Chromebook's legendary education durability. Reinforced plastic chassis with rubber bumpers. Spill-resistant keyboard with drainage channels.
Stop. Doti nit kisme और chip करते और इधर के कितनी स्पीड पे इसकी अब वक्त सूप करने आप एक इसकी
Secure from the inside out, Google's Titan C chip brings enterprise-grade security to Chromebooks. Transcription. Chromebooks have legendary battery life, thanks to efficient 40 to 60 watt-hour.
Hello class. Can everyone hear me all right? Welcome to our remote learning session.
And the work that we've done over the past few years has really put us in a leadership position in the education market.
Chromebooks undergoing MIL STD 810H military drop testing. Robotic arms dropping devices from 30 inches.
Testing enterprise and education Chromebook automatic enrollment. Device powering on first time. Connecting to school Wi-Fi. Automatically detecting organization.
Distance. The durability data is alarming. These failure modes are unacceptable for the education market.
We see the stress points.
Analyzing failure modes, screen bezel reinforcement investigation, hinge stress point modeling, chassis impact of absorption research, spill drainage optimization study, Google coordinating solutions across partners.
Chromebooks with identical Chrome OS show performance variation. Some have slower boot times and laggy browsing. Today, we'll review standardized hardware requirements, firmware optimizations, and driver quality standards for Chrome OS.
Yeah. Ensuring every Chromebook meets unified quality standards. Boot time, durability, battle life, keyboard.
Chromebooks are now used by millions of students and educators around the world. Google's training centers empower IT admins and educators to master Chromebook deployment and management.
Okay, team, our daily education targets are on screen.
Let's review the boot speed standards and ensure we're hitting those durability goals consistently. The new processors are improving boot times significantly.
Let's check the status of the Athena bulk order.
It's amazing to think that I've been involved in the manufacturing of Chromebooks for 12 years now, starting with the Chromebook 11 back in 2013.
Calibration complete, diagnostics green.
Excellent, back online. Moving to Station 7.
Six operated tohotik bikatis is second tide. American Sunitis made a scoprine, the Sikit CC Lasikochen Devocalities and Anti-Sinto.
The senior inspector diligently verifies the 6-second boot time and keyboard spill resistance, ensuring Chrome OS consistency. Transcription. Our global team is united by a cloud-first accessibility mission, building world-class education.
Reaching this 100 million milestone is a testament to our incredible partners, Chrome OS.
It's By optimizing the boot sequence, we've reduced Chrome OS startup time from 6 seconds to 5.
Chromebook production continues around the clock, with global partners ensuring 24/7 manufacturing. Night crews diligently maintain Chrome OS standards.
The defect rates are impacting school deployment. Acer, what's your hardware diagnostic?
We're seeing a common failure point. HP can
We've hit our education targets for this quarter.
Excellent. Global continuity seems stable across time zones.
We protect our partner manufacturing facility with Google oversight. Student data privacy is maintained through vigilance with education trust paramount. Now you know Chromebook's cloud-first manufacturing secrets. Have you tried Chrome OS yet? Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory for more accessible technology deep dives.
Next, iPad manufacturing secrets. Then, Kindle production precision. Subscribe to Process Pulse Factory.